Hi, I'm Tammy Tolley from It's Scrappicated, and I would love to invite you to come craft with me and let's make our brand new beautiful Boo craft kit. The craft kit comes complete with a 19-inch circle, an attachable script boo, wire, a bow, and you can choose if you would like us to add paint, or you can use your own craft paints too. In the instructional video, I will be walking you through 3 separate techniques so you can choose the style that works the best for you. We'll start with the black and white stripe, which is always classic. I will also show you how you can easily create this adorable polka dot version. Your bow will come complete in your kit as well. Or, last but not least, the ever popular, drum roll please, buffalo plaid. Your craft kit comes complete with 8 magnets so that you can double stack them and give your boo that fun 3D popped out look too. So who's excited? Are you guys ready to craft? Come on, let's go.